Got some boba. Today we're gonna recreate Freya Skye's makeup. And not just that, I have great news. I don't know if you noticed already. Yep, new camera. Went on Pinterest and this is a picture. Her makeup looks so freaking stunning. So this is what we're recreating today. At least we're gonna try. We also got some boba. Bro, the boba went the wrong way. I'm gonna go ahead and use the skin tint from Kylie Cosmetics and I'm gonna apply it mainly on my cheek area. I'm so happy to film this video today because you guys spam her name in my comments so freaking much. That is mainly because I have her songs playing in the background of my videos. I do love her songs a lot and I have a feeling that she's gonna be like a huge pop star. Sure, it is a huge pop star, but like even bigger than that. Now we're gonna grab a full coverage concealer because we didn't use like full coverage as a base, so we're gonna use it as a concealer, and I'm gonna apply under my eyes like this and do a little lift like this. And now with the brush we blend it all. Okay, moving on to bronzer. I see that bronzer is really focused here on her cheeks. Then she also has some on her forehead right here, like really close to her hairline, and we blend it. Make sure you get really close to the hairline because you don't want that harsh line. You want to make it look like this bronze, this tan is ours, you know. Fake it till you make it. And now we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. I keep forgetting to mention the products, but this is the Rare Beauty bronzer stick in the shade Bright Side. Now we're gonna set the face. We're not gonna apply cream blush because we're gonna do that with powder. So go ahead and grab your setting powder or whatever. I'm gonna use Huda Beauty. And her face is dewy, so it's not like fully matte, but it's also not like really shiny. It's like in between. I forgot the name of it. And apply it under the eyes. I always start with the under eyes just because my under eyes crease really fast. We don't want to give it time to crease. It also helps if you blend first and then right after the powder, just to get rid of that crease if you did crease. When you're applying on your forehead, just apply in the middle. Don't apply here. You can put some on your eyelids too and the chin. We can now move on to blush. So we're gonna use a pinkish dark pink blush. So I'm actually gonna blend two blushes. I am mixing these two shades. This is from Kylie Cosmetics in the shade Winter Kissed, and this is W7 Blush Rebel in the shade Teach Me. Let's start with the Kylie Cosmetics blush, and we're only applying like this area right here. Do not bring your blush here. Almost like where you applied your bronzer, that's where you're gonna apply your blush. We're gonna grab the darker blush on the same spots like this. Fill in the brows. I have bold spots here and in the middle for some reason, so I'm just gonna fill in those spots. And this is the brow pencil from Benefit and it's called Precisely My Brow Pencil. I'm grabbing the brush that comes with it, just brush the brows up. Now for eyes, I'm using the Socialite palette from W7. I have no idea how to pronounce this. Socialite, and I'm gonna grab this shade that's called Cosmopolitan and then apply it on the arc. And then a darker brown, this one called Polished. I'm gonna apply it only here at the end of my eye. I'm actually gonna use a new eyeliner. I'm trying it for the first time. This is the NYX Epic Wear 36 Hour Waterproof Black Eyeliner. I don't know if you can see, I'm not the biggest fan of this brush, but life hack. So I like pens like this. So what I do is I grab the pen and I dip it. And for this look, we're not doing a wing. We're just like tracing the lash line. Maybe I can zoom in and you guys can see what I'm doing. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Okay, this is the worst eyeliner I've ever seen and that I've ever done. So she doesn't have crazy lashes on. I think these are her natural lashes. Plus she applies like the, you know, the volume ones at the end. So they look like this. These are from Shein, but I do not recommend them. So what I'm gonna do first is curl my natural lashes so they blend with the fake ones. Now I'm just gonna apply some mascara to blend the fake lashes with my natural lashes. She's also wearing eyeliner on her bottom lashes. And then mascara on the bottom lashes. I don't know how it looks so good on her. My bottom lashes. I look like a scary doll or something. She's also wearing white eyeliner in the waterline. But I don't think I have it anymore. I think I threw mine away. So we can't do the white part. I'm gonna grab a flat brush and I'm gonna blend the eyeliner just a bit so it's not that harsh. And let's not forget to put eyeliner on the waterline on the top lashes. Now we're gonna grab some powder bronzer and apply bronzer where we applied the cream bronzer. I'm using Charlotte Tilbury shade 1 Fair. And today we're testing a new highlighter. This one's from e.l.f. in the shade Soft Pearl Era. That's a lot of R. That is pretty. And we are mainly going to apply here on the cheeks, under the brow, and especially the inner corner of the eyes. For lips, I'm so excited because I got a bunch of new lip products. 3 NYX lip liners and then a clear gloss from H&M. So we're gonna use all of them today. I think her lip shade is closer to this one. This is the NYX lip liner in the shade Natural. And then I'm gonna fill in with this shade, and this is the same lip liner just in a different shade, pale pink. If you want, you can make the corners a bit darker. She has them a tiny bit darker. And now for the final touch, some clear gloss. She's not wearing clear gloss, I think, but I feel like this is just a good combo if you don't have the exact shade of her lipstick or lip gloss. And this concludes Freya Skye's makeup. I don't think this is her everyday makeup routine, obviously. This is when like she has events and stuff like that. And, ow! But let me know, what do you guys think? The lips is not like super accurate, but I did what I could. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you watched the whole thing, let me know in the comments what do you think of this makeup look. Who else should I do next? Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel to see more makeup videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!